You think 3D printed houses are just stacked cement and weak? Big mistake. They are much stronger than you think. First, the ink. This isn't normal concrete. It's a super mix with reinforcing fibers. It cures incredibly fast and handles massive loads. But the real secret lies inside. The walls aren't solid. They use a hollow triangular or zigzag lattice structure. This is the truss structure principle, just like in bridges. It handles massive compression while using less material than solid brick walls. Lightweight, super strong, and great insulation. This is the future of construction. Follow for more.